Roar! We're going to the house. Dun-dun. Wow! There's so much good things. Oh, I got my own dinosaur toys. I'm gonna put them in my mouth. And put them in a pile. Dun-dun. You cannot beat me. Oh, yeah? I'm not hurt, you know. I'm not hurt either. Ouch. I need to go home. Da-da-da-da. Yeah! Now, I'm going to go to the house. Oh, this house has so many things. Hey, Shoo, you're a dinosaur. Shoot. Yeah, shoot. 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 Shoot, shoot, shoot. Nope, I'm not. And so you go right inside, or else I'm gonna kick you. Okay, okay. Yes, this is a great thing. I'm gonna get everybody to meet me. Ooh, we turned alive finally! Oh, hey, stop! Gold! 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 Come on, let's get the gold! We can't break it! No! We have to go back in. I'm the king of pterodactyls. Now you turn into a pterodactyl, or else I'll make you into stone. Sorry, but no. Yes, I'm the strongest in the world. Oh, you can catch me, little dog. Okay, let's just do this. We're just gonna move on.